Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is Himanshi, and today we are diving deep into your tarot reading for the month of June 2026. And if you're new to my channel, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you are Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, or Venus, then there is a specific message for you here today. So for now, let's just get straight into the cards and see what the specific message or what the universe has in store for you. Okay, so I think you are able to see the cards now. So anyways, you are the sign who's particularly about the action, and who takes action very fast and is full of passion. But in the starting of the June, I see that you people are emotionally very balanced right now. Like, it's a totally different energy. Generally the King of Cups shows that आपकी एनर्जी बहुत ज़्यादा बैलेंस्ड है और आप उस एनर्जी को बहुत अच्छे से हैंडल कर रहे हो, राइट? लाइक इफ़ समवन इज़ ट्रिगरिंग यू, यू आर नॉट गेटिंग ट्रिगर्ड बाय देम. So it's generally that. So I think that in the starting of the month, someone is going to trigger you, but you will not let that happen. And with the World card, this is a huge energy, which means that you are finally coming to a successful closure, which means कि आप अगर बहुत लंबे टाइम से किसी भी फेज़ के ख़त्म होने का वेट कर रहे थे, या फिर यूनिवर्स आपको कोई लेसन सिखाना चाह रहा था पिछले कुछ मंथ्स में, सो फाइनली यू हैव लर्नड इट एंड यू आर नाउ लेवलिंग अप. सो these two cards are very, like, they have the very different energy in the starting of the month of June. But with the King of Swords and the Empress card, I see that you are in your power, and if, like, with the King of Cups, you are thinking very emotionally, but with the King of Swords, you are also thinking practically and logically. like आपको पता है कि आपको लाइफ में क्या करना है, किससे बात करनी है, कैसे बात करनी है, और कैसे किसी को किसी को सच बताना है. यूजुअली आप अपने लॉजिक यूज़ करते हो, और लेकिन इस बार आप नेचुरली कुछ ऐसा बोल जाओगे जो सामने वाले को शायद हर्ट कर जाए, बट यू वोंट टेक द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ दैट, बिकॉज जून के मिड में आके कहीं ना कहीं आप खुद के लिए ज़्यादा सोचोगे और खुद की एनर्जी पे ज़्यादा फोकस करोगे. लाइक people are attracting towards you with the Empress card. You can see that she's nurturing herself, and she's doing the self-care, and she's in her own era. So she is thinking more about herself right now. So you will be in a total Empress energy, जो कि आपको strict boundaries set करने में, और किसी से कुछ भी ऐसे, you will cut out all the nonsense around you, and you will start communicating the truth, and you will focus on saying the truth without any hesitation. So this is the energy, and nobody will be manipulating you in this month. Like, they can't do that, Aries, to be honest. So yeah, this is the energy, and this is a really wow energy for me. So yeah, ultimately, these cards also tell me about abundance and lots of creation. You will be doing self care, and you might be getting lots and lots of projects in this month. Not lots of projects, but maybe one or two good opportunities in terms of your career. You are attracting it, and this could be a new offer, or side hustle that you were planning to do since a very long time. And there's a good chances of that job offer, of that, or that side hustle getting a good success with the Sun card. Because किसी भी रीडिंग में आपको अगर सन कार्ड आ जाता है, इट मीन्स दैट देर इज़ एब्सोल्यूट जॉय एंड सक्सेस कमिंग योर वे. एंड कुछ भी शैडोज़ या डाउट्स आपको हैं माइंड में, तो सन के साथ वो कम्प्लीटली क्लियर हो जाता है, और आप एक पॉजिटिव एनर्जी फील करते हो. सो जून में पर्टिकुलरली आप सेलिब्रेशन, हैप्पीनेस, और अपनी एक एक अलाइव फील करोगे कि येस, आई एम डूइंग समथिंग इन माई लाइफ. सो वैसी एनर्जी मेरे को दिख रही है. एंड If you are closing any old chapters in your life, or if you are stepping into a pure abundance or joy, if you feel this energy coming your way, then please like this video and comment your zodiac sign in the comment box, and also subscribe this channel if you haven't already, and sending you so much love, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.